Well, moving ahead, I'd like to take the privilege to invite Shri Ashok Jajodia, Chairman INPLAS 25, to enlighten the gathering in detail about the INPLAS exhibition. Mr. Jajodia has been the chairman of INPLAS 15 and INPLAS 18. Currently, he is also the co-chairman of PLAST India 2026 and the member of Regional Committee Plex Council. He is also the past president of IPF. Please put your hands together for Shri Ashok Jajodia. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Distinguished dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Shashi Panja ji, Honorable Minister, my colleagues on the dais and off the dais, respected members of IPF, sponsors, exhibitors, ladies and gentlemen. I heartily welcome you all to our launch function of INPLAS 25. It is my proud privilege to be the chairman of INPLAS exhibition for the third time after leading INPLAS 2015 and 2018. Today we are here to officially launch INPLAS 25, the 10th International Plastic Exhibition, with a tagline of "The future is East." The East has always been a symbol of hope, opportunity and growth, and today we stand at the threshold of a new era where the East is poised to lead the way in shaping the future of plastics. INPLAS 25 will be held from 20th February to 3rd March 2025 at Vishwa Bangla Mela Prangan, which is popularly known as Milon Mela ground among Kolkatans. Earlier we used to have our exhibition in Science City and at Eco Park exhibition ground. It was a nightmare for us for the committee, and too much efforts were needed to create an infrastructure for the exhibition ground. Thanks to the visionary Chief Minister, our visionary Chief Minister, Madam Mamata Banerjee ji, for providing such a wonderful and world-standard exhibition ground in the heart of the city. The journey of INPLAS started way back in the year 1981 with around 500 square meter was there. Only 500 square meter first exhibition was there. Occupying area of the current exhibition will be 9,000 square meter. So from 5,000 square meter we have reached to 9,000 square meter in 2025. We have successfully organized 9 editions, and the last edition of INPLAS 22 was a grand success, which was the first physical plastics exhibition after the COVID-19 pandemic. It provided a platform to the industry to overcome the difficult and nervous time and gave a booster dose to come back to normal situation. Same like COVID vaccine. We can say it was a business ka booster dose. Our committee has taken right decision at the right time to organize that exhibition in 2022. During 2025, we will have 2 exhibition halls with 4,500 square sellable area in each hall. We have dedicated 1 hall to the machine and ancillaries and another one for raw material and finished product. We have set a target to bring 500 plus exhibitors from India and overseas, occupying an area of 9,000 square meters. There will be concurrent seminars on various topics during the 4-day show. We have received expression of interest from overseas exhibitors from ASEAN countries, Far East Asian countries, Middle East and European countries too. This time our entire booking process for participation in the exhibition is being done online on our website. An exhibitor can select the booth and book his or her stall online only. Raw material producers and machine makers are the ones who foresee the development and potential area where the demand and the development will come, and they invest in that area. We already have seen the investment and in petrochemical by Haldia in West Bengal, Indian Oil in Odisha, and BPCL GAIL in Assam. So their focus in the east means the growth is imminent in this part of India. You will be surprised to know that more than 450 injection molding machines were sold in eastern India only in the last financial year. Normally the machines are sold 250 to 300 per year, but the last year saw a machine of 450 machines. The same situation is showing the growth in the other sectors like packaging, pipe, woven sex, and others are growing in the similar pace. INPLUS is the largest and only international plastics exhibition in eastern India and the most awaited one by the industry people of this region. Over the years, INPLUS has evolved into a premier platform for plastics industry to come together, share knowledge, and showcase latest technology. It's a meeting ground for industry leaders, innovators, and visionaries. It is a place where ideas are exchanged, partnerships are formed, and the future of plastic is shaped. We have done a lot, and we will do more to make INPLUS as one of the leading plastic show of India and not only the Eastern India. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to our sponsors, exhibitors, and participants. Your unwavering support and dedication have been instrumental in making this event of this scale. Let us come together to shape the future of plastics, and let us make the East the epicenter of revolution. Madam, we have prepared one promo film of INPLUS 25, which will give you more information of our industry as well as of INPLUS 25, which has in store for the exhibitors and visitors. I'd like to present before you the curtain raiser for INPLUS 25.
Welcome to Kolkata, the heart and gateway of eastern India and neighboring countries. A city that once led India on the industrial front is now back on the path of development, growth and industrialization, spearheading India's rapid progress. The Indian economy, one of the world's largest and fastest growing, is characterized by its diverse and dynamic nature. In recent times, it has witnessed robust growth rates, propelling it to become the world's fifth largest economy and advancing towards third place. The country's young and growing population has increased urbanization and expanded middle class, which has fueled domestic consumption and investment. Eastern India is not just participating in this revolution, it's leading the charge. At the forefront of this progress is the plastics industry, driving growth and innovations. The industry has emerged as a vital segment of the country's economy, demonstrating robust growth through its diverse applications across various sectors such as packaging, agriculture, automobile, construction, healthcare, defense, electrical and electronics, and household products. An industry with a market size of 3.5 lakh crores has the potential to reach 10 lakh crores by the end of 2027-28. Indian Plastic Federation, IPF, a pioneer plastics association founded in 1958, has been organizing INPLUS exhibitions in Kolkata for the growth and development of the region since 1981. The INPLUS 22 was recognized as the first physical plastic show after COVID-19, attracting over 350 domestic and international exhibitors and a footfall of more than 100,000 people. IPF proudly presents its 10th exhibition, INPLUS 25, from 28th February to 3rd March 25 at Biswa Bangla Mela Prangan, a world-class exhibition ground spread over 350,000 square feet, featuring 2 state-of-the-art exhibition halls. The venue has a multi-level car parking facility that can accommodate more than 500 cars. At InPlast 25, innovation meets opportunity and the future of plastics unfolds. A vibrant hub for over 500 domestic and international exhibitors, it is going to witness a footfall of more than 1.5 lakh visitors from all over India, especially from eastern and northeastern states, including neighboring countries such as Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. The event provides an exclusive platform to exhibitors, allowing them to display their innovative products and contribute significantly to the ongoing growth journey of the Indian plastic industry. Engage with experts, attend insightful seminars, and experience the live demonstrations of world-class, state-of-the-art machines that reveal the potential of plastics. InPlast is the perfect platform to connect with industry peers, explore new business opportunities, and stay updated with the latest advancements in plastics. Join us for a groundbreaking event as India solidifies its position as the global hub for plastic manufacturing and processing. The event is supported by the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Government of India, the Swachh Bharat Mission, WBIDC, Government of West Bengal, Plast India Foundation, and all leading Plastics Association of India. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our valued sponsors. As we strive towards sustainability, InPlast 25 is committed to promoting eco-friendly practices and addressing challenges posed by plastic waste and pollution. The future is East. The future is plastic. Let's unlock the future and be a part of this revolution. Register your presence at www.inplast.in.
मैडम, ये मेरा 3rd एग्जीबिशन है एज ए चेयरमैन. ड्यूरिंग InPlast 15 डॉक्टर अमित मित्रा साहब आए थे. एग्जीबिशन का स्टेज देख के बोले, व्हेन आई वाज इन द चेयर ही टोल्ड मी, अशोक, इट्स नॉट द एग्जीबिशन विच शुड बी इन बंगाल. नेक्स्ट टाइम हमको डबल चाहिए. वो एग्जीबिशन हुआ था साइंस सिटी में. साइंस सिटी में आप जानते हो लैंड था खाली, बड़ा मुश्किल है, वहां तो सांप निकलते हैं, ये निकलते हैं. वी वेंट टू इको पार्क. इको पार्क के दोनों हॉल लिए, दोनों साइड से लिया हमने, एंड वी रीच टू 8,500 स्क्वायर मीटर उस दिन. अमित मित्रा साहब फिर आए, डॉक्टर अमित मित्रा. मैंने बोला, सर देखिए आपने बोला था इसको बढ़ाना है, हम लोगों ने इंक्रीज किया. अब हम आए वापस यहाँ, अब 22 में आए अपने मिलन मेला ग्राउंड में. अभी भी हम मिलन में, मैडम एरिया सफिशिएंट नहीं है हमारे एग्जीबिशन के लिए. कैसे आगे बढ़ना है आप लोग को देखना है. हमें बड़ा ग्राउंड चाहिए. एक आप राजरहाट में लीजिए, चाहे कैसे भी करके, थिंक ऑफ फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर के लिए अपना ये 2 हॉल इनफ नहीं है. जस्ट अ थॉट फॉर आवर गवर्नमेंट. अपना विजन आप लोग का दूर रहता है. जस्ट थिंक ऑफ दिस. एंड आई हैव मैडम वन मोर स्मॉल 1 minute teaser on the Bengal what policy and how we are ahead of others. 1 minute का टीजर है, and I would like to invite my co-chairman and vice president of IPF to present that. We will like to promote that video which we have made.
Thank you, Via. Good evening. Distinguished Chief Guest, Dr. Sasi Panja, and esteemed guest and my colleagues from IPF. It is our honor to present the compelling 1 minute teaser showcasing the advantages of Bengal. Inspired by the BGBS tagline, Bengal means business, and Advantage Bengal, the visual showcases the state's investment potential and invites industrialists to tap into its vast opportunities. We will further enhance this teaser, incorporating more of Bengal's strength and disseminate it widely across India's industrial landscape and social media platforms. Thank you. And now let's watch this informative presentation together.
मैडम, ये आइडिया मैं आपसे मिलने आया था जिस दिन शिल्पो साथी भवन में, वो जो बैनर लगे हुए थे ना, उससे इंस्पायर करके वो सारा वहीं से लिया मैंने, और वो उससे मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया ताकि हम इंडिया में इसको प्रमोट कर सकें, व्हाट्स बंगाल इज डूइंग। Thank you, and let's everyone make N+20 a resounding success. Thank you, everyone.